Right now you can hear the mosque in the background. Yeah, so this is like a Muslim village. Like they pray 5 times a day, starting at 4:30 in the morning. This is in a different village right now, but it sounds like as if it would be in this room. This is the village I'm staying in. Let's go have a look around. We have kids playing everywhere. Nice houses. Hello. Hello. Just stopped somewhere and we're getting ourselves some water because no one drinks the tap water here. And you kind of need to get bowls everywhere you go. Hi.
Hi.
Let's go. How much is one water bottle? How much is one?
Huh?
How much?
Oh, yes.
Oh, 7. Okay, okay. All right, got ourselves some water.
Oh, man.
Nice. It's a nice shop you have here.
Yes.
You have everything.
Uh-uh.
Pretty sweet.
Hmm.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
You handsome.
Yeah, thanks.
Nomor handphone.
Number what?
Nomor HP.
Happy?
You.
Yes, yes.
Nomor
Oh,
handphone.
phone. Phone number. Yeah, it's crazy. Everywhere you go, especially like in this local village, like people tell you that you're handsome. So I really hope that like I'm not getting married to some like random girl here if I stay too long in that village. Let's see. We're just passing by the mosque in this village. It's right here. So all the noise you can hear comes from that, like only from this mosque. It's crazy. Yeah, we made it to the center of the town, I would say. It's like a huge football field in the middle of the town. It's time for us now to get some food. I'm hungry as fuck. Yeah, we found a place to get food. Best place in town to get nasi goreng. Hi. Okay, we just got ourselves some food. Very good nasi goreng. Like the battery died, sadly, so I'm not sure like what is on video. But it's like a very local barong. Like you basically sit in their house. He's cooking for you. And yeah, it really makes the best nasi goreng. Not gonna lie, very good. And now I continue to some beach. Like it's the beach of the community basically. But look at that. So nice, all the boats. Yeah, we have a damn. So much trash. Goat eating trash. Crazy. I'm so used to the trash now, I can't even really see it. But yeah. There we have the seaweed farm again. All the husbands are out farming seaweed and the women are drying it. Kinda nice to see. Okay, let's continue the ride. Yeah, some of the roads here are really bad. As you can see, it's quite hard to actually drive with one hand, hold the camera with the other. But we will manage. Look at all the palm trees. Damn, that fucking road. Just look at that. Palm trees everywhere you look. Okay, we just found a tiny gas station in the middle of nowhere, or the small village. Looks pretty sweet. Do you know how? Oh, he? Oh, hey. Nice. Let me Oh, sweet. Hi, brother.
Full?
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 Yes. Okay. Nice gas station you have there. Very nice. So let's see. That's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sweet. So 3 liters and 30. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So 40,000. Yes. Perfect. Just give him 100k Indonesian rupees, and we have to pay 40,000, which is like a little bit more than €2. Sweet.
Good.
All right. Thanks.
Hati-hati.
Thanks. Right. Bye. Nice gas station. Okay. So that was the tiniest gas station I've seen in my life. Never seen that before. Because normally people here sell the gas with like out of plastic bottles, or you go to like a real gas station, like a big one. That was like a tiny one. Very nice experience though, and cool guy. Yeah, here we have like more boats now again. Yeah, you see boats everywhere. Kind of nice, and monkeys as well. See them? There, little monkey family. Yeah, it's quite nice to see some shy monkeys once in a while. Because the ones you see in Bali, basically, or in like that's specific and say Uluwatu, like man, they're mean. They're mean as fuck. Like first day in Indonesia, I went there, they straight away stole my glasses. Insane. Looks to me like a cow farm. There's a cute dog. Hey puppy. Hey. 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 I was just about to drive to a nice sunset spot. But look at that. Very abandoned bathroom. Beachfront. As you can see. Very beautiful. Very nice. Local neighbors to the left, local neighbors to the right. And yeah, I'll show you the place now. There's the bathroom. It's not bad. Just a toilet and a shower. You don't need more. You have running water. That is the entrance to the small house I'm staying in right now. And so all the locals are staying in something like this. Very similar. It's just made with bamboos. Some windows. Really basic construction. It's nice. I have 2 hammocks. You never know, right? Maybe I'll meet someone here. Surfboard. That's my scooter. And I'll show you the inside. It's quite big for one person here. We have a nice desk. With a fan. Like there's no AC. Which is no surprise, like small rural village like that. Uh, Small bed underground. Luckily, he has a mosquito net as well, because it is a low risk malaria area. This is the place. Nice ocean view. Neighbors playing around. You have chickens running everywhere around. Sometimes goats are in the front, like on the property. Sometimes cows. You never know. And of course, the bus share. Oh, to just inhale the view. That is so good. I found a nice place to eat. I'm hungry again. Let's hope that the camera doesn't die this time. That is the place. Kitchen over there. Very nice. So you just sit on the floor basically. Oh, enjoy. Oh, you have a small dog over here. Yeah. I think we have a dog and a goat here. Yes. Hey. That's cute. So, it's a nice place. Let's see how the food tastes. We're out here at the restaurant having drinks. These two guys joining me.
Yes.
Hey,
Hey.
Putra. Putra. So their names is Putra, and they're from this community. So we got ourselves some food. Rice with chicken. Boys are chill, like they're still joining me. It's really funny because we communicate with Google Translate now. All I know is their names, that they're like 10 and 12, and that they live here. But it's fun. I'm just finishing the food. The two boys left already. I think they're two older brothers. I came and picked them up because they were like fishing somewhere out there. But very nice, like the two little kids just joined me for a drink. I'm now having the food. I had nasi goreng for lunch. Now I tried something different, but it's like everywhere you go, you still get like rice with chicken and vegetables. I just paid for the food, and it was 33,000 Indonesian rupees, which is like uh, two euros, around 2 euros. It's not too bad. So it was like my drink, the drinks for the two boys, and hello, hello. All the kids call me Mister, Mister, hey Mister, Mister again. So yeah, 2 euros for food, free drinks, not bad at all. That is a nice place. Goats everywhere. Oh, there's a goat on the boat. Let's check it out.